Let's go knock down some pins.
Not bad, though, not bad.
Not a single one. Not a single one. I suck. Yeah, we're going bowling. First time for a lot of us in over a decade.
Gonna be interesting.
Hey, we can get bumpers if you want. No, we're not getting bumpers. Hear it. Skippy.
It's a bye week, no Bills football, so we decided why not just go hang out at the local bowling alley, Strikers in West Seneca, New York. They got great food. Probably gonna try some of that. Hopefully we can at least bowl an average of 150 per game, but none of us are good, so I guess we'll just check it out and see how we do. Let's go knock down some pins.
I average like easily a 292. Yeah. And I played. Who do you think you are? Skip is. Oh, I hope I can do it. I hope I can tackle by a 12-year-old. Who do you think you are, Ryan?
Not bad, not bad.
Seven Rams.
You're laser in. You're so rough.
Start a strike.
love bowling. It's a lot of fun. But you know what's even funner? Hanging out with my family and friends. We just got some pizza weeks ago. We were gonna try them here, but we decided we're gonna take them back to the house and hang out. Thank God, because bowling's fun. Football? Oh yeah, it's Sunday. Let's watch some football.
Turkey around here is me. And right about that, dude. It's a shame. Both my defenses got negative points this week. Not a good sign. Wow. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. I'm not learning. You say medium, but it feels extra large at the end. Break my arm off. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bowl lefty for the rest of my life. I don't care. Good God dang it. My thigh, my shoulder. This is why. I'm just gonna eat myself to death. I'm just gonna get fat and lay in bed all day. This isn't even an active sport. What am I doing? 31. It's embarrassing. That's why I retired. Unbelievable. Oh, I'm just gonna go back to the NFL. It makes more sense. Me and Trent Edwards, the dynamic duo. Not a single one. Not a single one. I suck. I don't know what movies suck better.
Nobody does.
Who do you think you are, Ryan?